Hey, let me show you a hidden menu with the phone information on the POCO M6 Pro. So first we have to go to the settings, then click on About Phone. Now we have to open the detailed info and the specs, and now we'll have to scroll down and keep tapping on the internal storage. And now we are a few ways away to open this testing device information menu, and here we can check the phone information. That's also the same. And below we can find the Wi-Fi information. So for example, the Wi-Fi status. We can run the ping test, the Wi-Fi comping, and almost every parameter of our currently connected Wi-Fi network. That's some other settings, and that's basically it. We can also click on the right upper corner and view SIM address book, view fixed dialing numbers, enable data connection, or IMS service status. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.